This computer only cost me £5 great British pounds. Inside it has Intel Xeon. It has cables and also doesn't have a side panel screw. There's a Xeon thing in there. It's got a GPU. No clue what it is. I'm gonna have to find that out in a minute. It's got a rear fan. It didn't come with this hard drive, so I just shoved this thing in. This also cost me a £5, so about the same as the computer. I don't know if it works, but I know that Windows 10 is on this. It's got a missing flap here. It's got a bit of a missing screw there. Got a power supply. 300 watts. There you go. It has no cable management whatsoever. That's the cable's right in front of the fan. Now let's go under here. Let's just steal the power cable from this computer. Oh god, I've just knocked my intake. Oh, why does the power supply have to be all the way up here? Right. That's gonna have to do. Where's my display port cable? Oh, hang on. There's a flashing green light on the motherboard. I'm guessing that means it's on. I'm gonna have to take the display port cable out of one of these computers. Where are you? Oh, bloody hell, it's cable tied. Shove it in there. Yeah, let's just leave it at an angle and then let's turn it on. I haven't turned my monitor on. Right, let's turn this thing on. It's quite loud at start. Probably plug a keyboard and mouse in, but let's just see what it does first. Thinking about it. It just beeps at me twice. Is it going to turn on? Oh, hey up. What does this say? BMC system error. Oh, it's fine. It's just turned off. Come on. Come back on. Right, hopefully this time it won't turn off. Keyboard's on. It's not turned off this time, so... Ah, there we go. Windows 10. Let's see what this thing's got. If you're wondering what exact HP this is, it's a HP... What does this say? HP ProLiant ML110 G6 server. It's a server, guys. I'm gonna host Minecraft on this. Why is it not loaded yet? Oh, there we go. Right, it's just configuring Windows. Right, is it? Oh, there we go. Right, user. First of all, I have to check if all these USB ports are working. Does this mouse work? Okay, mouse works. Oh, hang on. It's froze. It's white screen. What's going on? Alright people, so it looks like we do need to connect to the internet. Oh, well, my bike's just fallen and it's dented my... Guys, smash like. Right, anyways, it looks like we need to connect this thing to the internet. So I've got this. It's a Wi-Fi card, but that's out of a Mac. It's not meant to be there. There's no screws that hold it down. Can we plug it in whilst it's still running? Let's find out. Right, we're just gonna... Yep. Tilt a hard drive whilst it's still on. We're just gonna shove that in there. Alright, where is it? Oh. It's just turned off. What's it doing? It's just turned back on. Did I move something? Have I shorted something? Alright. Let's just plug it in anyway. Right, well, it still works, so that's all that matters. Right, computer is now sideways. It seems like we're turning on. We should probably put an SSD in here, but I ain't got a spare one. Alright guys, I'm just going to take my graphics card out because the Wi-Fi card's stuck in there for some reason. I don't even know what that is. Tap into it. Oh, there we go. Now this is in. Right, let's shove graphics card back in. Let's see what happens. Fan spin. What did I... Alright, it's beeped at me. Sometimes USB ports work, sometimes they don't. I mean... I don't know why. Probably not getting display. What's happened? Oh, it's not plugged in, that's why. There we go. Right, we're getting display now, it's plugged in. Graphic card, quite hot, to be fair. It's got no fan. Is it going to turn on? Yes, it's on. User. Guys, we've got problems with the network adapter. Right, guys, we're going to turn it off and back on. We're going to see if that fixes it. Unless I've just busted the whole PCIe slot. Oh, that might be the problem. Right, so this has literally just fell out like they're touching. Alright people, I've fixed the issues, I've reseated it. We're going to put the antenna on afterwards. There we go. Right, it's slid in. Right, let's see what happens. Come on. BMC system error log. What does that do? Is internet showing? Yes! Right, now we're going to open Task Manager and hopefully not get my IP leaked. 98% CPU usage. We got 4 cores. Right, what else we got? We have got 8 GB of RAM. What speed is it though? I mean, it's quite slow. But right, let's run a user benchmark test. I wouldn't trust user benchmark. I'll just go off it, but because apparently it's extremely based, so we'll see what happens. Let's do it. Right, go on. How many FPS? Bloody hell, not even 1. What does it say? Oh, we got a 1.2 FPS. How about this one? We're gonna guess the FPS. I'll say about 2. Oh, 2.2. Right, next one. 1 FPS or 0.9. 1.6, bloody hell. Alright, what's this one? 2.5 FPS. Oh, just bang on 2. Alright, well, that was my second guess. Not even 1. Like 1 FPS, 0.5. What is it? 0.5! Let's... Bang on the dot. Right, what's this one? 3 FPS. 3 point something. Did it tell me? I don't know. Alright, people, it's very good at gaming, it's very good at being a workstation, and it's quite bad at being a desktop. Performing below. Oh. Yeah, boot drive, yeah. You know what? We got Windows 10, we got 8 GB of RAM, and the processor looks alright, so... Right, so the CPU is performing quite low to what it should, but that don't matter. Graphics card, oh, that's lovely. At least it's performing as expected. Right, we got the RAM, we got all 4 slots used. Way above expectations. You know what, at least that, they're quite bad. You know what, guys, other than that, I mean, would you use this? Maybe. I think, people, if we just shove a graphics card in here, I mean, we should be fine. Everything, because realistically, it doesn't matter about your CPU. Whilst you're playing Minecraft, it's all about this thing. You know what, guys? For £5 great British pounds, I mean, I think this thing was worth it. I don't know if all USB ports work. Let me just turn the keyboard on, and then... Right, does this USB port work in here? Is keyboard working? Right, that USB port doesn't work. Is this one working? Alright, that one works. Right, so only one USB port doesn't work on this thing. And so I think that's going to be the end of this video. If you want to see me do anything else with this computer server thing, whatever it is, then please comment down below, because I've no clue. Alright, so I'll see you people in the next video.